What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. On the day we are not doing so bad, but of course, people always say, hey, you need to take a step back and look on the 7-day chart. We are not doing so hot. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu and why I think Etoro is imminently going to list us. Of course, we got a lot of good news to talk about when it comes to Shiba Inu. We'll go ahead and take a look at the swap and see what we got going on over there and why I think people do need to get into the swap before the liquidity event is over. We'll talk about all of that and more in this video. So if you are new around here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the family of investors, throw a like on this video so we can get out to more people. It really helps the algorithm. Drop a comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Last but not least, folks, this video is brought to you by Webull. We got a couple of days left, folks. 6 days left here until this Webull, the biggest promotion they have ever done. Right now, if you use my affiliate link down in the description below and deposit just $5 into your Webull brokerage account, you get a free stock valued all the way up to $2,000 and another free stock valued all the way up to $300. The minimum you are going to get is a combined value of around $11. Go ahead and get your essentially free money when you deposit just $5. Affiliate link down in the description. Folks, on the day, crypto is looking really good. Of course, we can't say that without zooming out and noticing that we are still a drop in the bucket compared to where we were at 7 days ago, 1 month ago plus, and 3 months ago, obviously. So we are still on a downwards trajectory. You can draw a straight line here, and obviously we are red. But these small victories are always good to see that we are doing good on the day. Obviously, it helps. So if we go ahead and look at the broader cryptocurrency market, again, most of these coins are doing good on the day, but still the 7-day chart is, it's really ridiculous. For a couple of these, we are seeing a lot of downwards movement for a lot of our tokens of obviously Ethereum. It shot up above 2K earlier today, but now it's making its way down below. So we know that Ethereum and Shiba Inu, in terms of price action, they follow each other quite tightly, and we are seeing that here today. A little bit of a recovery here on the day, but nothing to get extremely excited about, because again, if we look at some of these all-time highs, drop in the bucket, right, folks? So we see here over the past, up until May 24th, up until today, it's pretty much all consolidation. We're pretty much riding flat. So any of these day-to-day price movements, week-to-week price movements, we see a little bump here, a little bump here, maybe a little bump here. They don't mean a whole lot compared to all-time highs, because everybody is saying, how are we going to get back to these all-time highs? The number one biggest catalyst that we always have to talk about is how the broader cryptocurrency market is doing. Right now, sentiments are not very high, so a lot of our tokens are not doing very well. But in the next bull run, if we do have these small catalysts that really put us on the map, and during the next bull run for cryptocurrency, we will see Shiba Inu doing very well, in my opinion. Now let's get into some of this news that has been going on. Etoro, we've talked about it a lot on this channel. 13 hours ago, they tweeted, so hot, I'm bullish. And of course, if you take the first letter of every single one of those words, you get SHIB or SHIB. These guys have been tweeting about Shiba Inu almost every single day. It's really nice to see, because they are showing that they are making an effort to be a vocal part of the community. We are seeing their effort when it comes to listing this token. It is just a matter of logistics at this point, and I can pretty confidently say that they are going to list Shiba Inu. It is just a matter of time. They're trying to figure out the logistics, some of the technical details. They want to do it the right way. They know there might be an influx of people starting to trade this token on their platform. They want to make sure that it is foolproof. I don't mind them taking their time. But again, this isn't going to be one of those catalysts that all of a sudden we're going to get back to all-time highs because eToro lists us. But on the other hand, something that you guys have to keep in mind is whenever we do have these catalysts, like I said, whenever the bull run happens, more access, more easy access to buying SHIB token, that is going to make it so that whenever the bull run happens, we are going to be able to see that nice rise in Shiba Inu because of easy access to this token. Now, something else that we have to keep in mind when it comes to some of these listings is that they need us more than we need them, in my opinion. Obviously, it's very nice for us to see how easy it is for some of these tokens to be listed on these nice platforms and them being very vocal. This is just one of many tweets that they have been tweeting out here over the past day or so, and it is very obvious that it's just a waiting game right now. Right here we say actual footage of us trying to say wait, because exactly, it's just a waiting game. But we got to remember, this community is very strong, and it is a business. It is a tactical move on eToro's part to list us. It goes the same way when it comes to Robinhood as well as Coinbase. These are all tactical moves, and it is surprising to me that it hasn't happened yet, but I do anticipate some of these exchanges will come on board here in the next couple of days to weeks. Again, it is just a matter of waiting. Over on the swap, folks, something that we all have to keep in mind is the swap and the liquidity event is still live right now. The liquidity event is where we are having 10 times bone minted per block, which is very crucial because all of the rewards that we are getting are multiplied by 10. A question that I very commonly have asked is, what is better right now? What is getting better returns? Digging or burying? Folks, for digging, obviously you have to go to the Woof here. We see that the APR on some of these token combos, these pairs, has gone down a little bit. We are below 500% APR, which is absolutely still ridiculous. When it comes to the Bone ETH combo, this is the one that I've been using. The Shib Bone combo, which is one of the more recent ones, 383%, 410% for Leash Bone. So obviously still very high for a lot of these. And there's a couple of others that are still high as well. VXV, WETH, Elon ETH, Duck ETH. Obviously some of these are still very, very high, and you get quite a little bit of bone for that. When it comes to burying, we are still not sure yet. This APY is still coming soon for almost every single token, or every single token. In 3 days, we will figure out exactly what that annual percentage yield is going to be. Total locked value in liquidity is $1.7 billion almost. Absolutely ridiculous how fast SHIBASWAP is moving, and the APR for some of these tokens, APY, that we will figure out for staking here soon. Bone is sitting at a very healthy $5 a bone. Obviously, if you haven't seen some of the videos that have been posted by Ship Planet, I really recommend you search up that YouTube channel because it is absolutely gold. Some of the information that he is putting out there in terms of bone, price predictions, and what it means to be a part of this liquidity event where you are getting 10 times the rewards when it comes to digging and burying. So if you have not started using the swap yet, I do recommend it. Obviously, if it is out of your comfort zone, that is completely fine. Obviously, this is by no means financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm into. I've been using the swap. I've been happy with the returns, but you do need to be careful because you can lose all of your money if you don't know how to use this properly. So go out, look for tutorials, make sure you are getting good information before you jump into this thing. But I do recommend that everybody get in before the liquidity event is over. And obviously, after the liquidity event is over, the rates are going to go down, but we anticipate that the price of bone is going to go up accordingly. So we might be getting less bone, but bone is probably going to go up in price due to the fact that there's going to be less being minted, or you can kind of the equivalent of less being mined. So the supply is going to go down, demand is probably going to stay the same. This is a governance token after all, and we anticipate big things coming out of bone. Only time will tell. So guys, a lot going on when it comes to Shiba Inu. Obviously, not a whole bunch of news, but a lot of good sentiments surrounding this token. Unfortunately, the broader cryptocurrency market just doesn't have the same sentiments right now. But like I said, it's only a matter of time. So we need to be watchful when it comes to not only Shiba Inu, but the broader cryptocurrency market as well. Before you attack Shiba Inu for doing poorly, please go out and look at how Ethereum is doing. And if Shiba Inu is doing well, look at how Ethereum is doing as well. We are pegged very closely to the price of Ether because we are not on our own blockchain, obviously. But that is to come. Shibarium is on the way, in my opinion. I think that's the big next huge catalyst for this token. But in terms of something that is going to happen either this week or sometime this month, definitely I think the Coinbase listing, Etoro listing, Robinhood listing sometime this summer. But I still remain very strong in my prediction that the Coinbase listing is going to be this week. We will see. We only have Thursday and Friday left, so I'm hoping right now that I can be right about that. But again, only time will tell. Folks, that's all I have for you guys today. Obviously, this is a drop in the bucket compared to where I think we are going. We are just going to have to hang on for the ride and see where this thing goes from here. I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Please leave a comment down below, throw a like on this video, get out to more people, subscribe if you're new around here, and again, use that affiliate link down in the description. Get yourself some free stocks with Webull. Really appreciate you guys. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene. Peace.